glad that you're here because we're at the Massachusetts Eye and Ear Infirmary Concord office. We're on 54 Baker Avenue Extension, and we've been providing ENT care to the Concord community for over 20 years now. We are a full-service ENT office as part of Massachusetts Eye and Ear Infirmary. We are the furthest west location of the Mass Eye and Ear, and we have about 12 other suburban offices around the Boston area that help to support the main hospital and their academic practices and surgical super subspecialists. One of the advantages we have as being part of the Massachusetts Eye and Ear Infirmary is if we have patients who need a more intense or difficult level of care, we have people downtown who are super subspecialists who have seen 20 or 30 of these in the past 6 months that we can send down for that level of care and that intensity of surgery or medical treatment that we may or may not be able to offer here in the community. The Massachusetts Eye and Ear Infirmary has suburban offices in many different places around the greater Boston area, and I believe that we provide the level of care that is given to patients downtown in the tertiary care hospital in the community, which is a great advantage to the people here in Concord. They can come see us and don't have to drive all the way downtown to see a specialist. So we provide ENT care for all ages. We have a pediatric trained person in Dr. Jen Settler who sees kids. We have Dr. Mike Vitale who did a facial plastics fellowship but does not only facial plastics but general ENT. And I have been here for just over a year as the medical director, and I do general ENT. I do some kids that may need care that Dr. Settler isn't able to in a timely manner get to because she's so busy, which is great for her. But we do provide ages 0 to 105 care for those people depending on what they need and where they need to go. At the Mass Eye and Ear Concord, we do a lot of nasal and sinus surgeries and treat people for sinus problems and nasal airway issues. We see people for head and neck tumors and masses. We see children who have tonsil and adenoid problems and recurrent ear infections. It's really the whole gamut of ENT care. We provide, I believe, the same standard of care that the Mass Eye and Ear provides to patients in the downtown hospital and in the community. If you're in the Concord community and surrounding areas and you need quality ENT care, come down to see us.